Hello friends, waving hand. In today's video, we'll be creating a water drop shadow effect, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Alright, let's start the video. First, right-click on the empty space and import a picture. Then mirror it horizontally. Now right-click on the picture and lock it. Next, select the circle tool and draw a circle. Fill it with white color. Now select the shadow tool and apply an outer shadow like this. Set the opacity to 75%. Right-click on the shadow and break it apart. This will separate it. Now select both objects and trim them. This will create a clean shape. Next, select the circle and remove its fill color. Using the shadow tool, apply another shadow. But this time, change it from outer to inner shadow. Set the opacity to 40%. Now take the circle tool again and draw another small circle like this. Fill it with white color and press Ctrl+Q to convert it to curves. Select both nodes and move them upward slightly. Then again, take the circle tool and draw another circle like this. Adjust it a bit, fill it with white color, and then select the transparency tool. Apply uniform transparency to it. Now make the upper one a bit more transparent as well. Select both of these and remove their outlines. And that's it, your water drop shadow effect is ready. Now group the whole design. Resize it, and make a copy. Then go to bitmap and convert it to bitmap. Choose RGB color mode, check anti-aliasing, and transparent background. Next, go to the shadow section and select the envelope tool. Move it upward a bit like this, and then copy and place it below to create a soft water reflection shadow. And that's how you can create a beautiful water drop shadow effect in CorelDRAW. If you face any problem while doing this, just leave a comment in the comment box below. See you in the next video.